I'm Robert Markey. I've been doing woodworking for many years, and we talk about drill press tips. A couple issues here are, actually the first one is going to be the speed of the bit. For going into wood, and this is the way you change, for a drill bit that size, you want it a little faster. That's probably pretty nice. Okay? If you're going into metal, you want to put it on the slower speed and you want to put some oil in there. If you're going to use a rather large bit or a very large bit, again, you want to be on your slower speed. Okay? The next thing is the stop. Okay? You always want to have something under there. But if I want to go through this here, I'm going to set that stop so it just barely goes into that. So when I drill, I'm at my stop, done deal. If I wanted to make a mortise, again, oops, well, we'd have to lower the table. Let's do that. Lower the table to where you can make the drilling. And then if I wanted my mortise to be, and I would measure this, but so we want it to be that deep, we're going to set the stop right there. And before we drill this, we're going to get to the next issue, which is making a fence. Okay? So we can make a fence just a clamp and a piece of board. So that we don't have to keep measuring. We can set it up. We set our depth. Remove it. And that way, if we're drilling for a mortar, so we want the same holes in a board, same distance from the edge, we've got it. So you've got depth, you've got all those things. I'm Robert Markey, and we've been talking about drill press tips.